In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy guest. Its review rating is 6.0, which is the pleasant. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and reviews, etc. We talk about the amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen this will be the present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. The offerings are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and training calls. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Or more details, check description of the video. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room at this property, then you can help us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on